I'm here near Kuran, no 20 years. Remember, Baco so for answer my boca.
And self-fool.
Set, oh, you're not Baco for Mamma Boca.
Sorry.
Set. Super, the Calacata whip when I prefer to go to go to Blue Son on it. You are not a pita and one open pronunciation. I see a honor man, you know.
Palm wine.
Okay,
yeah,
I dance one more.
The breeze is so cool in here. Wow. I think you should watch the floor because thank you. Today is a sunny Palm Sunday morning in the farm of Opinion Kojo, somewhere in the forest. Now I've been wondering how palm wine is being made, and a friend decided to show me where it is. The place is called Achim or Akim Achiase, because all the towns here have Akim or Achim attached to the name, because there are other towns somewhere that have the names without the Achim or Akim. Now this is original palm wine, straight from the farm, straight from the farm. And my curiosity has brought me here today. We are here to find out how it is being made, like firsthand. Yes, and then we've met a couple of friends around who also have helped us to move inside this place. Now the journey from to hasn't been easy, as I tell you. You will enjoy this video. At this point, please subscribe and like and share, because more exciting things are coming. Let's get right into it.
Down in here.
The Madine, a liquid.
Hey, not away. Tell me, another cell phone. I don't hear it. I'm about to cross off and some boca.
And self-fool.
Set. Oh, you're not back for Mamma Boca. Set.
Me start yet, but me too quite. And I may buy, you know, my best start just me buy. It's 2 years in.
Okay. It was start as I will jai before answer 2 years in the banner. We and how many years answer? We too kind.
Me first me you know 3 years.
Oh, okay.
And I'm a quay. Give me buy no my sons I best start to be 2 years in.
But I know we be before France I will start it.
Let me do.
Oh. If I try why chill, what with
my experience.
With your own experience. Oh, how? And what I know this.
Okay, 1939, 22nd November 39.
Yeah, 1939. Yeah, calculations. It's 83 years old. Strong. Where the 83 bar? Where do?
Oh, wait.
83 years. Okay. Bino.
Ubi na ye na mato ayi ha nyina.
Na wato. Nti mo twen ma abeno e bansa. At what stage na mo twa to no?
Oh, say a stage is here. And yet you me to.
To wo pa obeja manesi wona ama. Okay. Edi how many years and some which abena to?
Better. 10 years.
Oh, okay. Nti mo twa to na se mo nya insane free mu a etumi da honum saying for how many and so how many years? To be nya insane it say we say.
Say there ubien. You can say no. Ebi here 2 months. Ebi so 1 month 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. It is a sipe say
na imunasa.
Oh, okay. Hey, movie call next one.
Voilà.
Okay. It's about juice na free if you ha na if you ha. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Juice no free. Let's see about to kuroa. I will to kuroa. Entiwe. Ano pe ma be twitwa ni wutwa ni musa ho. Na free asia na be fa to kuro no. Na be gu we.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So ehu.
Bachai. Patent ni amoya ohonum na eden. Ya efafa ahomani mu.
Se eno na ye digu ankora me ne eno a. Ansa ne ye nyai this thing. AKPETESHIE na kasa.
Oh, okay. So we do natural one ni ye.
We ni ye friend is fufuo no. Friend white. That's right.
Oh, okay. You know, we define a one or the come out most of Monton.
Ibiba, Ibisu made the
Yana with the call. Okay, into Galamba could see for one a basin.
When for we can't say for 10 for
40 cedis.
Voila.
Ah, okay. Oh, okay.
And for no yellow one na is where you say no. And no 4. Let's just say one thing. We know 4 no one thing.
Ah, okay. Okay. So according to Penikodu, they bring the palm wine from the farm. They put it in this barrel, pass it through this tube to there's a coil inside this water. It cools it down and then the vapor becomes the AKPETESHIE that we normally drink. Okay. They normally drink. We normally drink. And if we drink the AKPETESHIE, what's happening? That's what happened. It's natural. They said it's natural. The whole person was starting a Juma way. It's saying now the we shall say.
It's Kadia. You do be out. We know to me. Roughly. Maybe start with the 6 million started.
That's 600. And I say, insure, some me first baby, I may start insure being the home. Me, I met me the insure a good one of my nothing.
It me bobo. I did grand say. He square say. Now, the rubber black wine would be. Yeah, the assembly ascension, yeah, the round one, yeah, two.
Oh, okay. Roughly, you will need, like, he started with 600 Ghana cedis. And I don't know, with this economy, if you can start this business with 600 cedis, looking at the materials being used. But I think I'll use like 1,000 Ghana cedis because it looks very lucrative. Someone was just saying, he said, instead of him to do embarrassing or be having multiple girlfriends, he would just be drinking. He would just be drinking the palm wine and AKPETESHIE like that. That was just by the way. So I don't know if today I should say, yes, I'm very excited, but I'm also feeling adventurous because I'm experiencing a different environment for the first time, especially a place with this. Mostly I pass by some, I see it, but I don't walk inside it. And then I'm very glad. Today is also Palm Sunday, but by the time you see this video, it will be past.
Your friend will be traditional. First, for boom, na minchero. Fanny na boom.
Okay. It's me share. Me fan boy no say na dey.
For pia, when na yema wa na dey pia.
Say.
For pia. Eh. So the pia say eye. There's so many friends gumu bi mu no.
Oh, ma.
Sense how jere ya me hwie sa, betimi ahwie na gu na hunya. So nka say eye.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I've learned something new today.
Traditional.
I see a friend traditional.
Traditional.
Okay. So I'm coming to drink some. It's been a while I drank some. Let me drink.
Let's see what's up.
This is so nice. Will you drink some? This is so nice.
Ambulance, letting the marco.
He said there's an ambulance in case I don't see anything in the end, they will take me. So there's no problem with it. Now you watch this video to this end. Okay. I don't know if I'll get drunk very soon or not. I don't know because this is so sweet. I might drink more than I've taken right now. Please subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Look at where we passed from the, shadow of a year. This is it's not of death, it's of joy. To come here, looking at this environment, beautiful environment, okay, all the story that we got. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends, okay? Because there are more exciting things coming up. This is just the beginning. I feel when and I said cheat today. Today there are no fancy because maybe I want to cheat, but I can speak cheat too. Yeah, I think I'm good. Even the in Sefu, we say it in Sefu in fancy, and he said in Safufu. The fufu is even the correct fancy, and that's palm wine. Yes, I can't taste the AKPETESHIE, I beg. So until we meet again, see ya.